Look at this Midea piece of crap. Brand new. Just put it in yesterday. Still have this on here. Works great, right? Shut it. Open it. The latch problem that everyone else has. Every time I want to use this thing, I have to put a hook in here. Pop this thing back. And I can't do it with one hand. I'm going to shut it again. It's brand new. We ran it once. It latches, but it doesn't unlatch. Midea. Piece of crap. Got my hook in here. Gotta flick that back, the light comes on. Shut it. Latches. Doesn't unlatch. Every time I use it. Brand new. There's a box for it still. Put it in yesterday. I love it. It's great. Still have my tools for putting it in.